This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Livers. Oceanfront 2-bedroom/2-bath beachside retreat awaits. Step into a world of tranquility with its unique, light-filled, and open floor plan. As you enter, the kitchen seamlessly merges with the living area, inviting you to indulge in the breathtaking panoramic ocean views. Every detail is meticulously crafted with high-end finishes, creating an ambience of luxury and comfort. Floor-to-ceiling impact sliding doors beckon you to step onto the expansive wraparound balcony, where you can bask in the sea breeze and marvel at the endless horizon. With private beach access just steps away, you can immerse yourself in the soothing sounds of the waves and the warmth of the sun. Conveniently located within walking distance to your favorite shops and restaurants, this beachside oasis offers not just a home, but a lifestyle of leisure and serenity. For more information, review the details below.